Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday Idioms. It's great to have you with us as we explore common English idioms used in daily conversations. Today, we're diving into two very useful phrases, cut to the chase and hold your horses. Let's get started. Our first idiom today is cut to the chase. This phrase means to get to the main point quickly, without wasting time on unnecessary details. For example, you might say, "I don't have much time, so please cut to the chase and tell me what happened." Now, let's listen to a short dialogue between Clara and Daniel to see how this idiom is used in a natural setting.
Daniel, you went to Adventure Park yesterday, right? How was the new roller coaster?
Oh, hey, Clara. Yes, Adventure Park was great. The first thing we saw was this new Ancient Aliens exhibit. They had these life-sized models, and the information about supposed UFO sightings was fascinating.
That sounds interesting, Daniel, but the aliens can wait. Please cut to the chase. Did you ride the roller coaster?
Sure, the roller coaster. Yes, it was absolutely wild. You should definitely try it.
Next up, we have the idiom, hold your horses. This phrase means to wait a moment, be patient, or slow down. You might use it when someone is rushing into something too quickly. For instance, hold your horses. We need to check the instructions before we start assembling this. Let's hear Clara and Daniel use this idiom in another conversation.
Clara, I just found amazing last-minute deals for a trip this weekend. I'm going to book the tickets right now before they're gone.
Wow, that sounds exciting, Daniel. But hold your horses for a second. Have you checked if we both have that weekend free? And what about the accommodation?
You're right. I shouldn't hurry. Let's check our schedules first.
And that's a wrap for today's episode of Everyday Idioms. We've learned about cut to the chase, meaning to get to the main point, and hold your horses, meaning to wait or be patient. We hope you found these explanations helpful. Do you use these idioms? Share your own examples in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel, English Tidbits, for more idioms like these. Thanks for watching and see you next time.